So yeah, I figured I'd open this thing up with you guys and we'll check this out. But I'm just amazed that I could get something in California from Australia halfway around the world in 3 to 4 days. And when I call up Summit and try to order some lifters that are coming out of Nevada, it takes over a week. Or it's 3 weeks and it's, oh, sorry, it's on back order. I mean, come on, people. COVID's old news. Let's get to going. Anyways, enough ranting. Let me open this thing up. All right. Let's see what she looks like. Gotta say, the packing top notch. There she is. Let's get a knife and let's get her open. Ooh. That's pretty. Well, it looks nice. So the port nozzles or bosses are there. Well, there's an indication of where they're supposed to be. Even though you let them know you need them, they don't drill them. Other than that, they say this thing's rated to, I think it said something about lifetime warranty and will withstand 300 pounds of boost. So it may just work. It's not as high as I thought it would be either. But I think that'll work, guys. Now, just to put it together after I drill some holes in it. But yeah, there she is. Plazmaman, straight from Australia. Nice billet piece. That's about all I got to say about that. It's gonna look nice when it's on the engine. I can go back to my old valve covers. So anyways, we'll see how she fits and all that good stuff, and we'll go from there. Hopefully it fits as good as it looks, because this is the prettiest intake I've ever owned. So yeah, Car's getting closer, slowly. They redid the dash to make it easier to pull in and out. I'm still tidying up some wires. Waiting for my ribbon cable to come back in, as they took it out when they did everything. But yeah, no, she's all together. So basically just waiting on an engine now. So
now I'm destroying your stuff on YouTube.
there you go.
I want to scratch and stuff.
Oh.
No going back now.
Hey,
It's a hole.
extra lightning. One down, 7 to go. All right. So, as you can see, plenty of room for those port nozzles. And I gotta thank my buddy Ryan, he did a bitchin' job on those. Nice, straight, all the same. Almost looks like it came from the factory like that. Weird, huh? So, we're gonna need a little longer hoses. The front ones are fine. The back ones are a little on the tight side for my liking. These are a little loose, but at this point in time, better too loose than too tight. That's not always the case in life, though. Now I am working on how much longer of a belt we need, and if I need to go to a longer snout, which is what it's looking like I'm gonna need. This blower manifold moves the blower back quite a bit. Before, I was able to just tilt the blower up a little bit and I could get this cam sink out of it. That is no longer the case. So I haven't checked how much higher this one is than the last one, but if I had to guess, it's at least an inch higher, if I had to just guess off the top of my head. But because the blower's moved back this direction, that throws your drive and everything all off. And I can't really move the bottom too much because, as you see, you know, I still run an alternator. I run the fuel pump off the belt drive. So, yeah, I don't really have a whole lot of room to move the alternator around, you know what I mean? So, that's where we're at the moment. But boy, the fit and finish on that thing is, I mean, freaking bitchin'. I got no complaints. No complaints. Especially I can go back to my other valve covers that I like. And yeah, so that's where we're at. Hopefully we'll get past this hurdle right here, which shouldn't be that bad. It's not that big a deal. And be ready to go back in the car. So I'm gonna end it off right there. It's kind of a couple videos over the last few days of just the progress of getting this thing back together, getting the intake, getting it, you know, drilled and all that type of stuff. That's all I could say would have been better. If that would have been done from plazmaman, that would have been bitching. But hey, if it saved a little bit of money, as I looked up Hogan's intake, and I think they start at like $4,800. Wilson, I talked to a buddy on Facebook. They said they're about $4,500. So being that this one came in at, you know, $1,000 cheaper than the Wilson, that's not bad for what you get. But anyways, I'll catch y'all on the next one. Y'all have a good one.